Hey guys, how are you? Ni mazee. My name is Nina FX. Ingia hapo kwa YouTube channel yangu inaitwa Nina FX and get education, get the knowledge in regards to forex trading on the financial market. So today I really want to introduce you to the financial markets, and I want you to know the difference between the stocks, the forex, the crypto market, and how we trade it. We don't always do blind trades. Hizo ndio vitu watu hawaelewangi. This is not a gambling site. People always think that trading is gambling. Trading is not gambling. Now, first thing first, financial market is wide. Financial market imebeba the forex market, the crypto, the commodities, the bonds, the stocks. You can see over here, tuko na stocks, tuko na funds, futures, we have the forex. That's where we have the forex pairs. We have the crypto, the likes of Bitcoin, Ethereum, indices, bonds, economy, options. So all these are being traded in the financial market. So basically the difference inakwanga nao, simona venye tumezi break down into the commodities, metals ni kama the likes of gold, silver. Now when you come into trading, I want to start with the stock market, so that I want to explain to you like a 1 year old kid, no, like an 18-year-old kid when you're fresh from high school. Now when you go to the financial markets, when you want to trade stocks, there's something called demand and supply. So demand and supply technically means that when you go to the market, demand is when you go to the market to buy a commodity. Maybe let's say you go to the market, you want to buy some bananas. So during the rainy season, the price of the bananas, the supply of the bananas is enough in the market. Like supply is too much in the market. Anyone can get bananas at a cheaper price because there's too much supply. And during drought, the supply of bananas reduce, so the demand is always there, but now the supply has gone down. So what happens when supply has gone down? The price of the banana, when you're buying bananas, each banana at $10 for one, now you're going to buy it at $20 because there's too much demand and the supply is low. So that concept is what we apply when we are trading in these financial markets. You buy low, you sell high. You buy low, you sell high. So I want to take you from stocks to commodities to the forex market. Now you know the difference on how we trade these things. I will start with the stock market. Now, the stock market will generalize all of them. If you look at the stock market where we have the Tesla, we have the Apple, we have the crude oil, Google, those big companies, all of them are in the stock market. You understand? You can see ziko hapa zote. All of them are in the stock market. So basically, what these companies do, for instance, now I am on a Tesla stock. As a trader, what I'm coming to do, I want to invest in the Tesla industry. What am I going to do? How will I invest in the Tesla industry? The only way I can invest in the Tesla industry is to buy shares. So, these shares, how do I buy these shares? You look for a broker that has listed Tesla shares, then you go to that broker, you deposit your money, then you buy. So here we are in the Tesla stock. You can see how the market is moving from this point to this point, this point, this point. So this market doesn't just move like randomly. There are some things that it respects. So when I come to Tesla stock, I will look for the lowest price to buy. The lowest price in this case. When you look at over the years, sometime in 2013, one share of Tesla was going to about $12. it came all the way it started at $12, 17, $20. You can see how it has been rising, 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 rising. So this time, the people who believed in Tesla, they bought their shares as low as $12. So in 2019, this is 2019, if you bought one share at around, you can see this one is $7, $8. If you bought one share at $7, then you hold your share. Maybe you bought 50 of them or 100 of them at 7. So let's say you bought 100 shares at $700 and you're holding. You're holding to some point time in 2021 around this point. The shares went up to 293 per share. Remember, you bought one share at $100 and now one share is 293. So once your shares has reached this point, now you can sell your shares. What do? You multiply your shares times 293. You spent 700 on the total shares. You bought 100 shares. But right now, each share is 293. So times 100. So you've made $29,300 from your 100 shares. So deduct the capital that you used, the $700. You are remaining with something to do with $22,000 profit after how many years? 2019 to 2021. So assuming that is just 100 shares, use 700. Assuming you bought 1,000 shares, assuming you bought a thousand, you've been having now $222,000 in profit within 2 years. So that is how we trade the stock market. So if I am the trader here and you want me to trade for you, you want my advice because I have the knowledge on how to trade these markets. I will tell you, Mr. So and so, it is time now to buy the Tesla stock because it is about to pump up. Like recently, you have seen the way Elon Musk has been supporting Trump during the campaign, and that is why you are seeing this dip. This is November 4th, 2024. The week before that, the last week of October, you can see one share of Tesla was around 270. One share was retailing at around 270. But now, after the election, it went all the way to 359. So if you bought one share at 270, you hold it's just within 2 3 weeks up to 359. You've made a difference, close to $80 per share. So if you bought $1,000, now you have 80,000 in capital. Now you do the difference, you remain with your profit. So that is how we trade the stock market. Now we come to the crypto market. Crypto market. I want to be specific with Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin now. Bitcoin is almost hitting 100,000 per Bitcoin. Sometime in August, around this point, Bitcoin was retailing at 49,000. At 49,000. So if you wanted to invest in Bitcoin and you approach somebody who knows how to study the financial charts, in this case, if I was the one to advise you, I could have told you to buy Bitcoin at 49,000 each Bitcoin. Bitcoin has rallied up to 98,000. From August, we are now in November. That is about 3 4 months. If you bought one Bitcoin at 49,000, now one Bitcoin is retailing at 98,000. You've technically made 100% profit on your capital. You just have to know when to buy and when to sell. So buying technically means that there's demand. When you're selling, there's supply. So if you bought it at 49 and you sell it at 98K, you've made 100% of your capital. So that is how we trade in the stock market. Now, the difference between the stock market and forex trading now, this is where now the confusion comes in. When we come to forex, when we come to forex trading now, we apply the same concept. We buy low, we sell high. You know when you are traveling from one country to the other, you have to change your local currency to the international currency. In this case, the dominant currency is the dollar. Now, when I want to travel from Nairobi, Kenya to South Africa, I will change my local Kenya shillings to the US dollars. So what the bank will do, because I will be buying the dollars from them, so they will sell me the dollars for them to make a profit. But when I'm coming back with the dollars to change in my local currency, I'll be the one to sell to the banks, then I make a profit. So I'll sell to them at a higher price. They'll be now buying from me. When I'm getting dollars from them, I'll be the one buying from them. So they'll have to sell to me at a higher price. So it's all about buying and selling. So the forex market, how we do make our money is the prediction. We have to predict the market, the direction of the market. That is what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to know when to buy and when to sell. So when I predict that the market is going up, I make money. When I predict that the market is going down, I make money. So in the forex market, that when we are trading with the brokers, we make money both directions. We just have to predict the direction of the market. So we still apply the same concept of buying and selling, because now buying means when I have to click the buy button, I'll have to come at a demand zone. In this case, the demand zone is the concept of buying low. Where is the low? This is the low. I will buy here. I'll buy at this low. And when I want to sell, where do I sell? At the highest point. This is the point. I'll sell. I bought it low at a lower price. Now the price has gone up all this to this point. Now I want to sell it at a higher price. So I sell. I press the button sell. So in the forex market, what we do is all about buying and selling. We make money both ways. It's the same concept, demand and supply. So understand the two. In the stocks market and crypto market, we buy and hold, then we sell. And still, you can go to your broker and trade stocks, whereby you can make money by predicting the direction of the market, whether it's going up or down. Or you can go to a broker who will allow you to buy and hold, then you sell when the price is up. So know the difference. So my YouTube community, this is my first episode. I wanted to introduce you to the financial markets so that you can know the difference between how we trade these different products in the financial market. You can trade indices, bonds, economy, everything in the financial market. The knowledge that you have to get is how to study the financial market, how to study the chart. That is the hardest part. That is why you see most people who are aligning themselves on YouTube as forex traders, they will scam you because they know that you don't have the knowledge of understanding how the market works. They'll just display their rich lifestyle, the cars, the houses, to attract you into investing with them because they know you don't have that knowledge. Even them, some of them, majority of them do not have the knowledge, but they have the platform, they have the influence. So that is how they attract you to their riches. Before you realize it, you've lost all your money or they've scammed you all your money. So the most important thing before you invest your money in the financial markets, please make sure that you are dealing with somebody who has knowledge in the financial market with the proof. Don't just tell somebody because is self-proclaimed trader, you give him your capital to trade for you. My brother, my sister, you are going to lose it all. So I would like you to follow my episode step by step. I will take you through the journey of studying the financial market. In this case, what you know as forex trading. So subscribe to my channel. It's called Nina Forex. If you have any question, if you have any concern, come to the comment section, send me a message. I'll guide you accordingly. If you are stranded with your trades, you are willing to learn, all my episodes on YouTube will be free of charge. Just follow my episode from episode 1 to the last one. You'll be able to get the knowledge to start trading the financial markets. Any further assistance, you just comment on the comment section, then I will assist you. Enjoy your time. Subscribe to my channel, please. And I need those likes. Thank you.